Wednesday. I don't know what the date is. I'll put it down below. It's after 2, I think. I've been awake since like 1:30, something like that. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna wash the covers on my bed. Like, fucking story of my life. Wash my covers so much now. I'm gonna take a shower very early. I just feel like I need to take a shower. I'm gonna cook and make some steak with white rice and garlic bread. And I'm gonna be washing all the covers on my bed while I'm cooking. Get up and be productive. the finished product. Again, I overcooked the meat a little bit, but it is what it is.
Hey, Will.
I'm not very good at cooking meat, I'm finding out.
Yeah.
I'll get better.
I'm sorry.
I can cook, but
you did.
I don't know. Me and meat don't really get along in the cooking department. I don't know. Garlic bread, jasmine rice that I did season. Steak that y'all saw I seasoned. Well, I seasoned these at the same time. Chicago Med. I think we're on a new season.
Got a kid with a gunshot wound.
Season 5, episode 2. Getting there.
16 shot once to the
Like a weekend.
BP 116.
And with the flash on, this is a better view
So what happened
of what it looks like.
I don't know. I was just waiting for the buzz. Am I in trouble? There's no law against getting shot.
Pretty much season the rice and the steak the same. The only difference,
Somebody call my mom.
Don't worry, we'll go.
I think there's one thing that I put on the steak that I didn't put on the rice.
I'll apply pressure. Give me some
I
suction.
don't remember what. Garlic powder. Oh, I didn't put no red pepper flakes in the rice. I think I put just black pepper. How I season both of them minus the red pepper in this. Red pepper flakes, black pepper, ranch seasoning, salt, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, parsley, and of course butter in this. Cook this in olive oil and butter, and then toasted that in the oven. The garlic toast, garlic bread. So hello, it is Thursday, April 27th. I'm up earlier than I normally get up. I feel like I slept forever, man. It is 1:42 and y'all know I normally will not clean out my fridge by myself. I do it when my son is here. I'm gonna tackle it by myself today. That is like my arch nemesis. Like I can sweep, I can mop, I can vacuum, I can do all the other cleaning, but when it comes to that damn fridge, it's like my arch nemesis of cleaning, of chores. And I'm really bad about keeping a clean fridge. I'm not even gonna front. Like I'm really bad about that. Like I just put shit in there, like whole pots and bowls and plates, like not in Tupperware, like bowls and plates. Like I'm really bad. So it's a fucking tornado in there right now. So I'm gonna clean it out by myself. And the freezer. Lord knows I don't want to, and I didn't want to vlog him. I'm like, it'll make good content, so y'all are gonna get to see the tornado that is my fridge and my freezer. Freezer's not so bad, but the fridge is terrible. But let's get to it. I'm sorry for what y'all about to see, because it's terrible, but I'm being honest. I'm not good about keeping a clean fridge. It is what it is. Look at all this shit that was in my fridge. Like, the stuff in the bags I'm throwing away. Like, all this back here is trash. Like, look at all this shit. Like, this is wild. That plate, that pot, that bowl. Like, look at all this. I'm not gonna show you what the fridge looks like before I clean it. It's terrible. It's terrible. I'm not gonna show you that. All this shit. Most of it's going back in there, but I'm gonna put it in there neatly. I guess maybe I should do the door of the fridge too, huh? Figure out what I'm gonna throw away. Just zoom over here real quick. Yeah, I guess I'll go through some of this stuff. Figure out what I'm gonna throw away. Okay, zoom real quick. Yeah, you see this? This is, see, now look what I gotta do. Now I gotta wash all these damn dishes. There was nothing in this sink but this and this. That's it. Now look at all this shit. Gotta throw that out. Throw that out and wash. Like, look at all this shit. But now, I got a clean fridge and organized. Aw. Oh, fuck, I forgot to do the freezer. Damn it. Yeah. Okay, so let me wash these dishes and then we'll tackle the freezer, which is much easier. Just gotta figure out how to thaw this shit out and throw it out. Thaw this out and throw it out. Maybe I can just get it out in one big ass clump. We'll see. Wipe it down. But this is an easier job. The fridge was the hard one. Got that out of the way. Let me wash these damn dishes. And then I'm gonna tackle this. Alright, look at this shit. I didn't expect to get up cleaning today. That was not on my schedule. Alright. Fuck. And this is all the trash that came out of the fridge. This bag, this little bit, all this. It's a lot of shit came out of the fridge. Months of shit that should have been thrown away. Now I need to get some mayo. This is like halfway full. I'm about to throw it away because it's expired. All this trash. Later, I'm done. Look at all these dishes. I have to use the sink because it's so many dishes. Like, look at all this. All this is clean, but like, that's how much I just washed. All this shit. And all of this is getting thrown away. 3 bags. All this came out of the fridge and the freezer. Everything is clean now, though. shit. So much better. I cannot let it get that bad anymore. That was terrible. It took me forever. All good now though. Damn, I don't want to do that no more though. I can't let it get that bad. That's the problem. So note to self, don't let it get that bad anymore. Okay, so I'm doing something different with this right here. I didn't talk when I was recording this because I actually had company, and I feel weird talking when I have company and I'm vlogging. So I kind of just glanced over everything when I was vlogging. So I'm coming in now to do a voiceover. So I got some Twinkies, cinnamon rolls, Swiss rolls, popcorn, the spicy popcorners, some regular Lay's chips, and 3 different kinds of the Smart Food popcorn. One is the regular kind, one is the spicy kind, and one is the movie theater kind. I got some cashews and a box of Takis for my son, cherry Coke, Red Bull, and I don't remember what flavor the Mountain Dew is. It's one of the newer flavors for my son, and that is pretty much it for this first half. And I will come back and and some oranges also. I see them over there freaking out. So I will come back and do the same thing for the second half. Do the same thing recording when I was vlogging. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. So I did have to slow it down so that I could have time right now to tell y'all everything. So that's everything with the first half. I'll be back and do another voiceover for the second half. Second half, I might have to talk a little bit faster, even though this is slowed down. I got 2 different kinds of pasta because I haven't did anything with the angel hair yet, but I made some shrimp Alfredo. Got 2 things of hamburger meat. I got more cheese, coconut water, red onions. Ice cream is Haagen-Dazs, pistachio, turkey bacon. 2 different kinds of smoked sausage. One is spicy, one is regular. 3 of the Marie, I don't know how you say it, hot pies. One is beef, one is chicken, one is turkey. 2 bags of shrimp. The popsicles for my son. Butter, cooked bacon. They didn't have the regular cookies and cream, so I got almond milk cookies and cream, and it was disgusting. I got fruit from Publix, eggs, red bell pepper, red and orange. Red and orange bell pepper because they didn't have any green ones. I'm trying to look and see what else. I got some Blue Bunny ice cream sandwiches, tomatoes. I'm trying to do the voiceover as I'm seeing things. So I got some crab legs. I got another bag of jasmine rice. Let me see what else. I got 2 bags of shrimp. I got some more caramel macchiato creamer, International Delight, you already know. Sorry if you hear somebody that sounds like they're having a baby. I'm watching Chicago Med still, so somebody is actually having a baby on the show, so disregard that. And I think that's everything that. Oh, and I got the Alfredo sauce. I said I got turkey bacon, or maybe I didn't, I don't know, but I got turkey bacon. I got deviled egg potato salad. And I think that's pretty much everything. Again, I had to slow it down so that I would have time to tell y'all what I got, because I didn't actually record slow enough for me to talk, because I wasn't talking, because like I said, I had company. So yeah, that is everything, I think. product of the shrimp Alfredo, and I put some red bell peppers on the side was mine. This was not my idea to make this. I made this for somebody else. I do not like Alfredo personally. I ended up giving the rest of it to my son. I ate maybe half of this. It's not my cup of tea. I don't like the taste of Alfredo sauce. So, but this is the finished product on my plate.